Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm so sorry for very long time to repost my movie. But I think I want you to see my video again. I hope this. Okay, so today I summarize and I show you one paper of training and many brain activity. So this is this term is that which is better, high intensity training or voluntary exercise training, which is better to my brain and study activity. Yeah, okay. Let's start my speaking. Okay, please listen. And this time, I try to tell you three topic. Number one, in general speaking, and number two, examine how examine, and number three, this examine the results. Okay, let's start. Yeah, number one, in general, exercise has many variation positive effects. For example, it can improve our function of the heart and lungs, our mental health, and our function of brain. However, there are many sorts of the way of exercise, and these different types of exercise cause different response to us. High intensity training or voluntary exercise training. There are very variety of exercise. And in this examining in this paper, the scientists of this study examined what exercise has more effects on us. This study aimed to compare the effects of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, and voluntary exercise training on cognitive performance and molecular connections. Okay, this is number one sentence. And next, number two, examine the study scientists examine. Rats, they use rats to examine. And yeah, so male rats were randomly divided into control male rats were randomly divided into control voluntary exercise group and HIIT group. The voluntary exercise group had free access to voluntary wheel for 8 weeks. The HIIT group performed HIIT on the treadmill 3 days a week for 8 weeks. 24 hours after last training, the rats underwent several cognitive tests. Then after blood was drawn under anesthesia, the rats were sacrificed and their hippocampus tissue were separated. Hippocampus is one of my brain tissue. So in this study, after variety training, they made the rats of training, and after this, they examine how good, how better the rats cognitive test, and they study how change the rat's brain system. Okay, they check these 2 points variety, different training. Okay. Yeah, this is number 2, the section examining. Okay. Next, number 3, results. This study shows these results. Neither voluntary exercise and HIIT training had any significant effect on behavioral performance assessed by cognitive test. Not significant by cognitive test. However, BDNF expression in hippocampus. BDNF is brain divided neurotropic factor, which help growth and recovery of neural tissue in the brain. Okay, so BDNF is mean one brain system's level. Yeah, it's okay to understand this. Yeah. So, however, BDNF expression in hippocampus tissue was higher in the HIIT group than in the voluntary group. In addition, other expression in the hippocampus tissue was higher in HIIT group. In conclusion, according to the findings we obtained from this study, although it does not have a significant effect on cognitive functions, the effect of HIIT on brain functions seems to be more effective than voluntary exercise. Okay, so in conclusion, HIIT can more effect on my brain than voluntary exercise trainings. So yeah, I think it is good to training more HIIT. For example, 100-meter dash, and and something my heart so hard. Yeah, than voluntary exercise. Easy joke. Yeah. This study shows that HIIT is good to our brain and any cognitive test. Yeah, it's finished. This video, today's video. Yeah. So my repost is so too long, but I always training my English skills, so I think my English speaking is better than previous. But I don't know whether it is true or not. So please any comments on my speaking skill and compared to previous my English skills. And if you have any questions about this paper, please any comment my comment. And if you have any topic of what you want to know about our brain activity, for example, which is better, how activity we do makes our brain activity more improved, and something. If you have any topic, please any comment. I found this topic. I recommend. I summarize one tissue about this in this video. So please any comment. Okay, goodbye. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.